Yo, what is up guys? In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to create a journal, or also known as a notebook, to sell on Amazon KDP. And if you like this video, please do smash that like button, and without further ado, let's go. Alright guys, for the first part, what you guys have to do is just open up your web browser, okay? And then you have to type KDP cover calculator, okay? And then it will bring us to this page here, and then just click on it. And then they will bring us to this page right here, and then the binding type of your notebook, what do you guys want to use. For me, I would like for it to be a paperback. Interior type, I just want it to be black and white. And also the paper type, I want it to be a white paper. Page turn direction, it doesn't matter, in the end it's just a notebook, but I'm just going to choose left to right. Measurement units, I choose inches. Interior trim size, okay, this depends on you guys what size of your book that you would like to use. But for me, for notebook, I want it be a little bit smaller, which is I would like to be a 6x9, which people usually use. For the page count right here, an average notebook would be around 120 pages, alright? And after all of those are done, just press calculate dimensions, and then Amazon will give us an example of our book right here, and just press download template. So after you guys template have been downloaded, you guys can click on it and then open the image right here. So this is an example of how your book size looks like, okay? Because this is quite important, you guys have to keep it because we are going to use it later to create our book cover design. Alright, now what you have to do is just open up a new tab and then press Canva, type in Canva, and then go to create a design, and then press custom size because we are going to create our book cover. Now for the width and height, okay, just open up the template that you have downloaded. So the important information is right here, the overall dimension 12.52 inches times 9.25, okay? So we are going to use this info and just key in right here, change it to inches, and then 12.52 for the width, 12.52, and then for the height would be where is it, a 9.25, so 9.25, okay? Then just press create a new design, and here Canva has given us a blank template right here. So what you have to do right now is just upload the template, this template here, just upload in Canva. So I have uploaded the template, so I'm just going to resize it to the fullest, okay? You're gonna drag it, and then we've got the template right here. So now it is time to create the design for our book cover. You guys must be asking, what is this template exactly for? Well, actually this template is for a reference to us, because why? If you guys can see a pink line right here, the outside template, Amazon is telling us to make sure don't put any words or picture at the pink line right here, because Amazon is known for printing bleed through pages, okay? So if you guys want to create the design, just make sure your words or your picture don't be in the pink line right here. And also they are giving us a reference to show that this is the front page and also this is the back page, okay? So now we are going to continue to create our book cover. Now the first thing I usually do, I will just choose elements, and then I'm just going to choose a square right here, and then maybe choose the color a little bit beautiful, maybe pink. Should I choose pink? Maybe choose peach, I think. Let's see, can we make a peach color? I think that's good. And then just put in the corner and then resize it to the full page, and then we got the page right here. So let's see, if you guys want to check back the template, all you have to do is just press on the square right here, and then go to the transparency right here, click on it, and then you can adjust it so that you guys can see the template, so for your reference. All right, so now we are going to put it to the full transparency first. And now how do we are going to design this book? Well, just go to elements right here. There are three ways that I'm going to show you to get your picture. The first would be Canva. So in elements, just type in the things that you want for your notebook. As an example, I will choose flowers, okay? And then they give us a lots of flower. We got photos, we got videos, we got frames, and also we got graphic. So we're going to choose a graphic. We can use it, it's no worries. Okay, as an example right here, this is the free one. Okay, it's for commercial use. We can use it for commercial. And then resize it. Okay, maybe I will lower the transparency so that I can see which is the front cover and also which is the back cover. So we got the flowers right here, and then I think it looks quite good. But maybe, yeah, I think it's good enough. Maybe we can add more. What else we can use? Oh, this is the pro one. We can't use pro. We can only use the free version. Okay, maybe rotate it. And you guys must be asking, that doesn't look quite good. Well, in the end, it's all about creativity. If you guys have your own creativity, you can design it. You guys can design it on how it looks like. Okay, so an example for this is the first page that you can use to get your image. The second would be VectDZ. Okay, this is a website. They give us a free vector image that you can use for commercial use. Okay, so an example, this is the page right here. I'm also going to type in flowers. So we got flowers. Yeah, that's look quite good. And maybe, yeah, you guys can download all those pictures. Just make sure that it's in the free version. So let's see, free license. I'm gonna use the free license. And then they will give us all of those free. So an example, I just choose this graphic right here. So as an example, this picture, we can just go straight to download and then it will download. So here is the file that I've downloaded. So I open it up. So this is an example. So we can upload this image in Canva so that we can use it. So just press upload here, and then I'm going to drag the image into Canva. So I've uploaded. I can use this as it is and then just make it full size. And yeah, that's basically it. You guys can also use this, or also there's a three method. Also the third method would be open up a Creative Fabrica. So this is how the page looks like, but the thing about Creative Fabrica is that you guys have to spend a little bit of money. Okay, so if you guys want the free things, is either using Canva or also using the VectDZ, right? So let's continue with designing our book. So it's either you can use this, but I don't want to use this for now because I want to design it a little bit. So let's see what we can improve. So I'm just going to change the color because it is too yellowish or too oranges. Too oranges. Okay, I don't want it to be too yellowish. Oh, okay, this color looks quite nice. What is this tone of color? And then maybe we can use a duplicate because we are going to put in the back cover also. Okay, now it looks pretty much better. Oh, and one thing that I forgot to tell you guys is that wait, let me show you. This barcode, you guys have to make sure that your image don't be right here because Amazon will print out the barcode. So if you guys put a picture right here, just keep in mind that the barcode will be there. Okay, so that's basically it. So I'm going to maybe go back the transparency, and that's pretty much it. That looks quite good. That's enough. So let's say I want to put some text. I'm going to put text. And then let's see what we can do. We're gonna put notebook, and maybe change the font a little bit beautiful. Okay, let's see how can we do this. Does this look good? I'm not sure. Make the font a little bit smaller. That's too big. More smaller than this. And maybe don't put in caps lock. Ooh, okay, that looks nice as it is. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So we have completed creating our book cover, and don't worry, if you guys think this looks hideous, you guys can also create your own design to make it much better, because I'm just showing you guys an example. So now the last thing would be just type in share right here and then go to download, and then make sure the file type is in PDF print, and what's left to do is just press a download, and then that's basically it. You guys have download your book cover. Alright guys, so now let's proceed with creating the notebook interior. Okay, just open up back Canva and then create a design, and then go to custom size as usual. Now for the inches, okay, just type in your book size For me would be the white would be 6, and then the height would be 9, and then just create a new design. And Canva has given us a template right here that we can use, right? So what we have to do to create a design, there are so many ways. The first way would be for your notebook to be a blank page, okay? Because some notebook they have only a blank page, but if you guys want to spice it a little bit, so just go to designs right here and then search template, just type in a notebook, okay? And surprise, surprise, well actually Canva has provided so many templates that you can use. You don't have to create anything, you just have to duplicate this page, duplicate until you have around 120 pages, okay? So let's say if you guys don't want this, maybe I want to change it a little bit because this looks quite boring. Maybe you can use this. Or also maybe you guys just want a blank notebook without anything on it. So let's see if you can search something that's blank without anything. Yeah, I think this is good. Maybe you guys can delete these notes, okay? And also delete this thing right here and delete this thing right here, and maybe this one thing you guys can copy and then you can paste. Oh my god, there's a lot. I don't want I don't want this. Maybe ungroup one, and we only want to take one, okay? And then copy and then a paste, okay? Okay, and then just paste again, and that's basically it. You guys have a normal line page book, but if you guys just want to use as it is, you guys can also just use as it is as an example. Let's see what else can we use that looks a little bit more interesting. Let's see what do we have here that Canva have provided for us. So here I found a blank page also. You guys can just delete this thing and also delete this thing, and yeah, that's basically it. You guys also have this, so anything that you guys do, you guys can change it by yourself. You can design it accordingly for your taste, okay? There's so many things that you guys can choose from. So as an example, I just going to choose this, and then maybe duplicate the page. So we got 2 pages here, and let's say there's so many page 120, and you guys don't want to just press this until 120. All you have to do is just go to the bottom right here. As you guys can see here, there's a grid view. Just press grid view, and then it will bring us to here. So just select these 2 and then duplicate 2 pages, and then select this 4 and then duplicate 4 pages, and repeat until you have around 120 pages. So that's basically it. It's just as simple as that. It's great for you guys if you guys want just started Amazon KDP and you guys just want to post your first book, and I think this method is the best. So after all of those are done, what's left to do is just to press share and then go to downloads, and then file type, change it to PDF print, and then just download, and that's basically it. Your book interior and also your book cover, both of it have been done. So congrats for your first book. And yeah guys, that is all for today's video. I hope it helps you guys a lot for creating your first notebook that you guys want to post it in Amazon KDP. And if you guys like this video, please make sure to smash that like button, and if you want to see more, please do consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye, see ya.